bite. Head shaker. What's going on, guys? This is Chris, back with another video. Hey, how you guys doing today? You having a good day? Leave a comment down below, let me know. So if you haven't seen my little series that I'm starting to do, I am doing a 1 lure all day challenge. I did a video probably like maybe 2.5 months ago or so. Link will be in the description box below. Go watch that video. I can't even remember what bait I used. I called it the red jelly candy though. That's all I remember about it. But today I am featuring down south nuclear needle nose. That's what this soft plastic is called right here. I actually got one right here without the tail because the pufferfish keep taking the tails from me. Hey, this is not a sponsored video. Down south does not sponsor me or anything like that. I just like their baits and I seem to catch some fish on them, so I'm gonna leave their link in the description box below. I really like this nuclear needle nose color. It's a really natural color. It mimics, I think, greenback in the Tampa Bay area. So I got it rigged up today on a DOA jig head. I think it's a 1/4 and then 20-pound test leader. So I'm gonna see what kind of fish we can get onto today. Now the thing is, for this type of video, is I only use this one lure all day. I don't switch at all, no matter what's biting around me. I use this lure all day and I try and catch whatever species I possibly can. Looking to get on some trout, redfish, snook, maybe even a tarpon. There's tons of sharks out here. A shark should pick this up. So let's get to it, man. It's a sexy looking lure. And hey, be sure to check out down south and let's have a productive day. I thought that was a bait fish. Ah, I just missed one. Oh, hooked up. Hooked up. Down south. With the trouts. With the troutski. Hey, that's an easy release right there. Josh is still fishing with the paper clip hook, guys. Dang, they're stacked up in this little pocket.
But guess what? I'm still catching fish, boys and girls. Hey, but life gives you limits.
Hey, you could spot log. I can't fish this very long. I'm just drifting. Oh! Did he just bite? Dude, I just got bit off. Come on. Dang, guys, that break off is not helping me because I just lost my last white jig head that I actually like. I have another one in here, but I don't like that style jig head. So I'm gonna go with this red. All right, we're re-rigging our down south lure. I believe this is a DOA jig head that I've had in my box for a little while. Ooh. It's one thing about the DOA, man. They got that fat first lip. Sexy looking bait. I like it. See if we can't get back on some fish. Hey, what do you guys think about the head strap viewpoint? I haven't used this in a long time, but I got my chest strap soaking wet when we got out here. So I decided to switch over to the head mount. Oh, we're hooked up, guys. Woo! Head shaker. Small guy. Give me my down south back. Yeah, little trout. spit it. Man, I know you don't think this wind sucks, but it sucks. Yeah. Josh hooked up from the down south. Try and get on some of the action. Josh is actually using a different color down south though right now. Oh, there's a good one. Yeah. Not huge. Oh, right at the boat. I swear they keep coming off this thing. That's pretty sharp. Footage to Bay News 9. It's a good day in the Tampa Bay, as they would say. Wow. Bumper kayaks. This is just messed up. He's sabotaging me. Y'all saw that? Y'all saw that? Put Josh on blast. He's bullying me. I'm gonna put your name in the bully box.
God, they already think I'm terribly mean to you. Don't make them think
I'm gonna put your name in the bully box. What are you talking about? On today's episode of Fishing Chris and Josh, Bullying Lesson 101. Oh, there's a bite. Yeah, that's a good one, guys. Oh, yeah, coming up and head shaking. Woo. Man. Chill out, buddy, chill out. I'm trying to help you out. Oh, he's grunting at me. Rawr. Oh man, he was hungry. Yeah, that's a beautiful trout. Woo! There you go. Man, that's like fish number 7 or something. Haven't gotten them all to the boat, but we're hooking up, getting some bites. Now we need a redfish. Or even a snook. Man! They're behind you, Joshua. They're behind you. He's staying down. Oh, he's not too bad either. Man, guys, we could have us a trout catch and cook. But legally, we cannot. You got a good one? Doubled up. Nice troutski. I think I got you beat on that one.
he's hooked under the jaw. That's why he goes.
Man, one thing about trout, guys. Oh, slimy. Almost prefer not to wear the gloves whenever we're catching trout. I need to carry a little little fish rag on my kayak. I always use my yak grips to wipe my hands. You know the little things on my paddle?
Yeah.
The blue things? Put my flag up for towing. I just leave it on there because it's always in my truck. Looks like we got some mullet action right here. I think that's some mullet. Hey, this video is going to be a little more raw footage, guys. You know, see what we actually go through. We started the morning off rough. Josh forgot pretty much all of his terminal tackle, jig heads, hooks, lures. I got mine, luckily, which isn't a lot, but it's enough to fish with. Wind's blowing kind of out of the northeast, keeping the water from pushing into the Tampa Bay. So we were fishing a low tide here, waiting on the water to come in, realizing that not a lot's gonna come in because this wind's gonna keep it pushed out. Needless to say, it's one of those things, like sometimes you go out with a plan and the plan does not go how you planned it whatsoever, and you gotta improvise and adapt. But so far we've already caught plenty of trout. Puffer fish took my tail again on the down south. They puffer fish Josh too. So I'm just using it because he literally just bit off the little swim part, so I'm just working it like a little John, just bouncing it off the bottom. I think they want more of the swimming bait though, because Josh was having more hits. Oh, there was a hit. Annoyance. There we go. A little small, another small trout, I think. Dude, that's like the tiniest little trout. But he's so fat. Dude, he's so fat. Check that out, guys. He's so healthy. Barely even hooked him too, so he'll be nice and healthy going back. Alright guys, so we got someone here asking me what type of baits I was using. Actually, my video today was I used one lure all day to see what I would catch on it, and I ran out of them. But Down South Lures, they're a Texas company. Okay. That color is pretty legit. I got one rigged up in my truck, but it's like a green with a it basically mimics a greenback, like a bait fish that are out here. So yeah, they work really, really well. But that color, the color is the key on that one. So yeah, I mean, what are you guys using?
Yeah, so we went to the store and we got, this is what the lady told us, because we knew there was snook out here.
The lady.
Said,
oh man.
At the bait, that this was.
Oh yeah, gold. You can catch anything on gold. Be careful with that pack though. You don't want that stuff spilling in your car.
Okay, no,
it'll smell like ass in your car for like a year.
Jeez.
I'm not even joking. Like, that stuff stinks. Those are really good for more like redfish.
More like redfish.
Yes, snook like swimming baits, things that move really fast. So.